Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to our channel. Following the release of Baba Ijesha, a video of the popular Yoruba Nollywood actor Baba Ijesha having a medical checkup surfaced online. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we urge you to please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, we want to say a very big thank you. God bless you and support you in all you do. And the shocking revelation he made about his health is scary. While the actor complained of seeing blood in his stool after defecating and that he constantly feels headaches. According to the video, Baba Ijesha maintained that he received several boot kicks to his head and waistline during his arrest, and that might have contributed to the deficiencies. He says in the video, "I consistently feel a sharp pain in my head that most times I find it difficult to manage." He also affirmed that he noticed traces of blood in his stool whenever he defecates. And this revelation is coming 2 days after the Lagos State Police Offences Court on Thursday granted the embattled Nollywood actor Olanrewaju Omeyinka aka Baba Ijesha bail in the sum of 2 million naira and 2 shorties in like sum. With the current turn of events, Baba Ijesha's doctor might see the need for him to travel abroad for an adequate medical checkup. Let's watch the video.
When you go to the toilet, so you see blood in your stool.
Yeah, because they hit me with boots.
Okay.
Then here particularly, they hit me several times, and I always, the place is always taking me like I won't be able to control myself. Like it will just come like, I don't know, sharpen and draw my highlight. There's anything just making me as if the head wants to break.
Okay, what else?
I feel every time. Every time.
Okay, what else?
Then my eyes. Because I don't see sun.
So how long have you been coughing the blood?
It's like 5 days.
Like 5 days.
No, 5 days. No, it was 5 days. When I got to the party, the phone got took me to the party.
So how long have you been seeing coughing blood?
It's over a month. Just 2 months. The way I get to that place to the cell.
Okay.
5 days after, I was seriously sick and they rushed me.
And that was when you started coughing?
Yeah.
Like 5 days after?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 days after.
They took him to hospital in party.
Yeah.
Alright, the blood is stool. How long has it been? This stool, you see blood in your stool. How long have you been seeing blood in your stool?
In Benino and January.
That time is every time.
Okay, when did you start seeing the...
Like from here now, the aching is not.
Well, she touched it, do you feel pain?
I feel, but the aching will just come.
Okay, it comes and goes.
It will come
It's fine,
and
it's fine, no wahala, it's fine. You can get up, please.
I can get up.
Yeah. I'm done. Come to that question. 10 months, they'll be at one hand move, no hand move here. No reactor. I just define where they pay you. This way they pay you.
Right now.
No, just relieve you, relax. I know the Checkup. I just did a transfer. Because men are not refined.
ẹ jẹ́ ń lọ jókòó ẹ jẹ́ ń jókòó látàárọ̀ látago mẹ́jọ dájí. Gbogbo ẹsẹ̀ ló ń ro mí. Try. Princess house bí ti báwo ọ̀yà dé bàbá báwo ló ṣe máa lọ lé princess báwo ló ṣe máa lọ lé princess bóyá lè mú princess gan ojú tí lọ ni ojú tí lọ ni ò ní kọ́ọ̀tì ló ń béèrè pé ṣọ́nà wà lẹ́yìn kó ń gbẹ̀yìn jáde ìka ló máa rojọ́ ìka kan ló máa jà àwọn èèyàn rẹ̀ Joseph Abosede ẹ lọ jẹun Ijesha is out o lẹjọ tún fúlù ìsì èèyàn mẹ́fà dé freedom at last. She's saying, is the one I want to see.
No, débẹ̀.
Ọ̀gá ń kí láti bí sà. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
Ẹ má ṣe kọ́mẹ́dì o. Ẹ ṣé gan sir o. Thank you so much sir. God bless you sir. Thank you so much sir. Ẹ ṣé gan sir. God bless you sir.
Máa bọ̀ báyìí. Máa bọ̀ báyìí. Lẹ́wà. Lẹ́wọ́n tó pẹ̀lú bàbá. A rí pé gbogbo tí mo yín sá.
Àìbílà ànọ́lá ti pàdé wà yọ̀ ló wà bílà bí. Àwọn tí ṣe bí èso bílà lánàá ká tó wá nọ́ọ̀tì.
A rí pé kò yẹ ká gé ara abáramọ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀. Bá ṣe rò pé bá ṣe ń kó kọ́ọ̀tù yẹn. Ẹ tó bá tó ní gbádà là máa ń sátì, ọ̀dà máa ń sáyà. A ṣe rò pé ká kọ́kọ́ wá pé ká tiẹ̀ tó mọ̀ pé ṣe báyìí la fẹ́ lọ. Káwa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ẹ ṣe àdúpẹ́ sà. Ọmọ ọdún yín náà rárá àánú. Gbogbo omi tọ́mọ yín bá ń dé, wọn a máa rárá àánú. A rí gbogbo effort yín nínú court. A rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe ń tó. Ọlọ́run máa fún yín tó. Ọlọ́run máa fún yín tó. On behalf of everybody, sir, I sọ pé ẹ ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Ọlọ́run adé túnbọ̀ mú yín síwájú sá. Túnbọ̀ ga jù báyìí lọ. Ibi tọ́kàn yín ṣì ń fẹ́ yẹn náà ẹ̀ níbẹ̀. Lágbára náà ẹ̀ ní níjàkulẹ̀ sá. Kẹwàá bá wa mú Ijesha gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ. Nínú advice ni ẹnìkan ọgbọ́n tán.
Fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ fún Ijesha.
Our DSs are too many on. Switch off the ones in my office. Switch off the ones in my office.
Ẹnìkan ò gbọ́n tán sà. Ijesha tó dàgbà. Ọmọdé ṣì ni. Ọmọ yín ni. Bí wọ́n bá ń pè é ní. Ẹ bá máa tọ́ sọ́nà. Ó mọ ẹ̀tọ́. Gbogbo wa tó bá wa náà sọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé wọ́n bá ti fílẹ̀ o. Kẹ́yà wọ́nù náà o. Kó náà ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ o.